Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time this video meets you. I am by name Echu Clarita Echu, a graduating student from the University of Boya, studying pathology and minoring in medical laboratory technology. On today's video, I'll be showing you 3 simple tips on how to prevent malaria from your life, from your family, your friends, and the community at large. Firstly, you should sleep under treated mosquito bed nets. Sleep under treated mosquito bed nets from 6 p.m. in the evening till 6 a.m. the next day. Secondly, avoid living in communities or localities where stagnant water is predominant. Or if you want to stay in those localities, communities where it has stagnant water, first make yourself available to drain those stagnant water, or you can fill the environment so that stagnant water won't be available anymore. Thirdly, clean the environment where you are living, the locality, the place where you do your activities. Clean them, clear the bushes so mosquito won't have anywhere to hide. I'll insist on the second point. Why do you have to stay away from stagnant water? One, stagnant waters are good breeding site for mosquito, which they will grow in those stagnant water and turn into matured female anopheles mosquito, in which will be terrorizing the community and your family. So what you do for me is obey these 3 tips to prevent malaria, and if you do this for me, we are a step away from malaria. Thank you. See you in the next video. But before you go, please like, comment and share this video so I will reach everybody, so that they will know how to prevent malaria from home without using any artificial chemical, without using any drug, any stuff. Like they say, prevention is better than cure. It's better you prevent yourself from getting this parasite than coming to the hospital to cure yourself, because you need money. When they diagnose you for malaria, you need money for treatment and money for follow-up. So as I say, prevention is better than cure. See you in the next video.